Raya Tech University is a postgraduate program designed to offer engineering and computer science fresh graduates with an authentic advanced technical and soft skills know-how, coupled with permanent hiring opportunity. Join us as we explore the inspiration journey of our first batch of graduates and celebrate their achievements. Describe your journey with RTU in a word.
Chance.
Rewarding.
Fun and learn.
Challenging.
Flexibility.
تجربة فريدة.
Sophisticated.
Unique experience.
Challenging growth.
Very informative.
Inspiring.
Skill progressive.
Interactive.
Green.
Music challenge.
What's your favorite memory during the training?
كانت أول مرة قابلت التيم وتعاملت معاهم.
Being here.
لما استلمت أول training keys.
Collaborating with my talented team.
Passing the technical interview.
Solving the first assignment.
إن أنا قابلت ناس بتعرفوا من على LinkedIn وبقوا أصحابي ونشتغل مع بعض.
اللحظة إن إحنا اتكلمنا فيها مع بعض وعرفنا إن إحنا خدنا الأوفر وأكسبت.
Monitored the implementation of new projects.
Orientation day.
Share your proudest achievement during the program.
لما عرفت الفيدباك عني وقدرت أحسن من نفسي بسرعة.
Developing and maintaining real-world solutions.
Passing the evaluation.
المشاريع اللي كنا بننفذها بعد نهاية كل كورس.
I'm part of Raya now. Solving critical challenges.
تعلمت new technology.
Friendly group.
Meeting my team for the first time.
Learning new technologies that enhanced my skills and networks.
Solving all tasks assigned to me.
قدرت إن أنا أعمل شيفت كارير لمجال أنا ما كنتش أعرف عنه أي حاجة وعرفت أكتر عن ال ATMs.
Give a message to future RTU candidates.
Pace yourself وخليكوا واثقين إن أنتوا قدها.
Priceless opportunity.
Embrace every chance.
Work hard, it's a good opportunity.
Focus on yourself.
Focus and develop yourself.
Be open to the new technologies.
Keep learning.
I would advise them to dream big.
Keep pushing your limits. Hard work pays.
Trust yourself.
Stay motivated.
Have fun.
Describe your biggest challenge during the program in a word.
Assessments.
Challenging is self-learning.
New technology.
Adaptability. إني أثبت نفسي وقت التريننج.
Problem solving.
Time management.
Aligning responsibilities.
Fast pace.
إزاي أطلع حلول مبتكرة.
المعلومات الكتير.
New technologies.
Time management.
Raya Tech University, empowering talent, shaping tomorrow.